I love Uncle Todd's floor cleaner. I was sent this for review and I am so impressed. This is a completely plastic-free alternative to your floor cleaners and it works beautifully. And what it is 30 sheets of the cleaner that dissolve in liquid. You want to add 1 sheet to a gallon of water and this will instantly dissolve and give you that floor cleaner for your mopping. It cleans streak-free, and in the end, all you have left once you use up all of this, which is really quite a lot of cleaner, you have 30 gallons worth of cleaner here, is a cardboard box that you know exactly what to do with. Now these not only are great for the planet and smell good and dissolve beautifully, but they also clean so well. They're packed with filth-fighting enzymes and I love how much these can get all that dirt and buildup off my floor. Thanks to my kids and my pets, it definitely gets dirty around here and these have made a world of difference. And finally, I love this small size. I can pack this into a tight cupboard and not have to deal with big bulky jugs, which is what I was doing before. I was buying floor cleaner in large jugs to reduce the plastic waste, and now I don't have to worry about that at all, thanks to Uncle Todd's.